Welcome student to my class. Today's topic is antonyms. As this topic is very much essential and important for Olympiad exam, therefore a regular practice of antonyms and making exercise is very important. Therefore, if you are detached from it, then sometimes you will make mistakes. To avoid the mistakes, you have to practice it. Obviously, these types of exams are very important for your academic career. Whatever antonyms meaning you have to know. So, what is the meaning of antonyms? Just the opposite in meaning. As you have done the chapter synonyms, means similar in meanings. Similarly, many words are there, they are placing just opposite. So these words are antonyms. And here in the question you will get four options, and among the four options you have to choose any one. Sometimes you did mistake in one and you have to, and you are doing another one. That means you are doing the circle or darken of two options. That means it totally carries a negative marking. Here, let us see what the questions are telling. Here, question number 1, it is told abundant. Abundant means, if the abundant means, it is a very good word to pronounce. You know, abundant means, if it means leave, then option A is not coming. If renounce, it is also not coming. If adopt, it is coming or not, we'll discuss. Resign is not coming. Then which is coming? Its meaning, opposite meaning. If abundant means leave, then opposite of leave is adopt or take. Now the next question, ardent. Ardent is given. Ardent, so what should be its proper answer? That is the opposite meaning. Ardent means something that is dazzling, that is more powerful or more showing. But here keen is not coming as the opposite, loyal is not coming as the opposite, intense is not coming. So it is not such good quality, it is a dull. So ardent should be matching with the dull. Here your answer would be DULL. So according to this answer, you have to darken the OMR sheet. Abstain. Next word is given like abstain. 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 So abstain, its opposite meaning you have to search. Abstain means go away from. Like if it is restrain, that is not coming. Quit. Quit means leave. Forbear, that is also not coming. Abstain, that means leave or quit. Abstain meaning is quit or leave. So its opposite is also indulge. Indulge means getting into or involve into. Next is accountable. You can see accountable. So question number 4, accountable is there. Accountable means responsible is also responsible. That is the meaning. That means guilty, it is meaning. Countable, it is meaning. And punishable, it is also meaning. So its opposite meaning is innocent. That is the answer. Its opposite meaning is innocent. That is the answer. Innocent. Accurate, you know, many times you have used this word accurate, means appropriate. So precise is, if meaning of accurate is precise, so what should be its opposite? That is the question. So if you are taking the particular, that is the accurate also. Certain, that is accurate also. Its opposite meaning should be deceptive. Deceptive means inaccurate or not accurate. Now combination, you know, combine. Many things are combined or get together. It's like detachment, that is the not combination. Unite, that is the combination. Amalgamate, that is the combination. And gathering is also combination. So what is not combination? Detachment or segregated. Now the word is confiscate. 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 Confiscate word you can see. 7 number. So confiscate, that is without offer. Then its opposite word should be offer something. Here another word is there like concrete. Concrete. So its opposite word, what should be its opposite word? Concrete means solid. Concrete means solid. So in this way real is also coming, farm is also coming, and particular is also coming. And what is not coming? That is abstract. Abstract is the answer. Next you can see consequence. Next you can see consequence. Consequence means result, like symmetry, follow, consider, or origin. So consequence means question number 9, what should be the answer? Or opposite mean, that is the origin. You can see this word origin is there, it is the opposite. Like consequence means result. So if result is there, its origin must be there or source must be there. Source means origin. So one is the starting point, origin is the starting point, and consequence is the finishing point. Now question number 10 you can see consolidate. Consolidate, its opposite meaning. Is it weaken? Is it expand? Is it fortify? Is it build? So fortify, build, these are looking like same. Expand is also looking like same. What is not same? That might be the answer, like weaken. Weaken means make weak. So consolidate opposite meaning, solid opposite weak, like this. Credible. So credible, you know the word very much, credible word, credible. Credible. Is it opposite? Is its opposite unchangeable, unpopular, unbelievable, or invincible? Invincible. So let us check the answer for it. 11 number. Here credible means something that can be credited or that can be believed. That can be believed. But here option C is coming, unbelievable. Credible means believable, but here something is unbelievable, that is the answer for it. Invincible, the word is given, you know the meaning of the invincible, that you cannot defeat something else or someone else. That person or that thing is invincible. Next question, gallant is given. Gallant, is it gallant means fine, bold, coward, or frolic? Which one is the option? Correct option for the opposite. So here you can see gallant means bold is correct. Gallant means fine is also correct. These are the positive qualities. Frolic is also positive quality. One negative quality is there. That is the answer, like coward. Coward is the answer. And gaunt. Gaunt is the word. Its meaning should be known. Gaunt means very thin. Gaunt means very thin. Like some boys, some people are very thin. So like this, skinny is the thin, and bony is the thin, and bleak is also thin. So what is not thin? That is plump. Plump means fat. Fat is the opposite meaning. Lucrative, next word you can see. Lucrative means gainful, means here opposite meaning: gainful, productive, fertile or fruitful. 14 number question you can see. Lucrative means gainful. That might be the same. Lucrative means gainful, that is the same meaning. Productive is the same meaning. Fruitful is the same meaning of lucrative. But question number C number option, that is futile. Futile means without any result. So lucrative means, if its meaning is fruitful, productive and gainful, obviously its opposite meaning will be futile. Futile means not getting any chance to recover. Magnify, you have known of the magnifying glass. So magnify you might be known. So its opposite meaning you have to search, like magnify is the reduce, induce, produce or enjoy. Yes, your guess is correct. Like reduce, A option is correct. Reduce is the correct answer, because magnify means enlarge someone or something else. Reduce means reduce or compress it or make it smaller in size. Question number 16 you can see. Melodious, is it its opposite meaning should be hearts, agreeable, mellow and innovative. Then you can see melodious is a good quality that makes attractive of the note. And here some good qualities are also given, like agreeable is, you can see mellow and you can see innovative. These are the good qualities. Only bad quality, that is hearts, is given. Hearts is the opposite of melodious. Meticulous means extreme care. Meticulous means extreme care, so its opposite should be which one? Careless. Yes, careless is the correct answer. You can see opponent is given. Opponent, many times you have learned this word opponent. So opponent means rival, but opponent means rival, enemy, but whether C and D option, which option is coming to you as the opposite meaning, you don't know. Yes, it is pal. It is pal, that is coming. PAL, opponent means same side. Here opposite meaning, pal means same side. You can see overwrought, that means frantic, tense, calm or weary. You have to find the opposite or antonyms. 19 number you can see. So overwrought means tense, overwrought means frantic, overwrought means weary or tired. So what is not coming? That is calm. You can see the word calm, that is opposite to overwrought. Now you can see in the next page, have a look at the next page. You can see more options are there, like here 20 number profane. So 20 number profane, if 20 number profane is given, its opposite meaning should be moral. And here proficient is given. Here proficient, its exact opposite meaning should be clumsy. And if 20 queer is given, queer's opposite meaning should be common, unique, strange or odd. Which one? 22 number, this is number A, common. Queer means odd type, so its opposite should be common type. Unique means also odd, strange means odd, and odd means odd. Queer means also odd, so its meaning is not coming to the common. A rampage is given. You can see rampage 20 number 23, and here the correct answer is harmony. Rigid is given. Rigid's opposite meaning. Rigid's opposite meaning is, you can see, flexible, bent. That can be bent easily. Surmise 25 number, you can see surmise. Its opposite meaning should be proof. 26 number, severe. Severe means very serious or harsh. Then it is not matching with the mild. Mild, you can, that means normal. Timid. 27, you can see 27, timid, its correct opposite word is courageous. Courageous means having power. Fearless. Timid means with fear. This side, have a look. Here you can see taboo is given. So do you know, have you heard this word anytime? What its exact opposite meaning, you have to know. Here, this is the question 28, and its opposite is freedom. This word you should know. Taboo, its opposite word is freedom. Means taboo means not freedom. Weary means tired, you know very much. So opposite, energetic, you know. And Jill means also courage or gusto. Its opposite meaning to be 30 number, apathy. Jill means showing interest, and apathy means not showing any interest. Here some more words are also given, like 31 to 35, like audacious is given. Audacious, antonym you have to choose or take out. Number 31, you can see audacious is opposite word is cautious. Exotic means superb. Its opposite word, which one is the opposite? Exotic. Yes, it is B number, like native. Distinguish and disgruntled, its opposite should be 33 number, you can see. It is the option C also. Aid means help. Aid means help. Disgruntled means not help. It is meaning help. Plausible, the word is given. Its opposite word should be plausible. Like plausible, that is irrational. Irrational, that is not related to any logical view or rational view. That is irrational. Plausible means rational or with proper thinking. Irrational means without proper thinking. Tedious, last word is given, tedious. Tedious, tedious. So here you can see four options. So which option is correct? Here tedious means boring. Its opposite is exciting. So you got 35 word with opposite words, and here you get some ideas. Besides, you have to practice it more to make your strength more positively, and so that you should not make any wrong or mistakes. Here you can see some antonyms are given. So here first of all, antonym is a word opposite in opposite meaning to another. In simple word, antonyms carry the opposite meaning of the word in context. The word antonym has been derived from the Greek word anti, anti, which means opposite, and onym, which means name. So antonyms are the words that have the opposite meaning from the word in reference. They are also used for expressive writing and speaking. Here you can see some words as well as its opposite meanings are given. Light, abate, abolition, abrupt, accord, acute, adamant, adjacent, bashful, banish, casual, deceit, dubious, erudite, feasible, gigantic. So one word I'm just telling about its opposite. Abet means hindered. Opposite meaning is hindered. Abolition opposite retention. Abrupt means its opposite is laser or ceremonious. Accord its opposite is discord or conflict. Acute means poor. Its opposite is poor. Adamant, flexible, adjacent, distant, far, bashful, opposite is confident or bold. Banish means welcome, its opposite welcome, greet, recall. Casual, cautious, deliberate, planned. Deceit, honesty, openness. Dubious opposite is certain, consistent. Erudite, that means opposite is illiterate, unlettered, unpolished, untrained. Feasible, its opposite is difficult. Green, impossible, hard. So feasible means very easy, but here something which is not very easy, that is feasible opposite, that is difficult. Gigantic means huge in size, its opposite is small, tiny, narrow and petite. Hopefully my tips will help you a lot. From your books that you have and some materials, you can learn about the vocabulary, that is specially synonym antonyms. It will bold your vocabulary and help you a lot for your examination. In my next video, I will come with some more topics. Till then, goodbye to all of you.